It's Alex, the CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's SEMA 2019, and we're continuing our coverage, finding cool products and builds to talk about. No shortage of JL and JT Gladiator builds here, and of course, all of them lifted. Now, one of the downsides to lifting your Jeep is that you make the handling even worse than it already is when you're talking about highway speeds. Now, most people, when they're thinking about his Jeep, they only care about how it's going to handle off-road, but all of us are going to be driving on the freeway, especially if you're overlanding. And so if you want to solve that problem and actually have the best of both worlds, luckily, Hellwig suspension products exists, and they create a sway bar product that does not limit the articulation of the suspension off-road, but gives you much better street handling. And we pulled aside Mike Hallmark from Hellwig to give us a little bit more detail on the kits that they have for the JT behind us and the JL applications.
Thank you very much. And yes, everything you just said is true. With the emerging market of overlanders, they're putting all the weight in all the wrong places. They're putting it on high. They're changing the center of gravity. They got a rooftop tent up there. So you get a lot more body rolls. So we're load and sway control specialists. We specialize in sway bars, specifically for the JL and the new JT Gladiator. We do upgraded rear sway bars. They're multi-adjustment points, so they have 2 or 3 adjusting points that you actually mount them to. And that actually gives you a variance in your spring rate of your sway bar, or how much roll control you do or don't want. The great thing is it makes your JL or your JT a true dual sport. When you hear dual sport, you think they do both half as good, because usually that's what happens. In this case, it gives you your stability at highway speeds, crosswinds, freeway on-ramps, big rig trucks that then drive by that typically blow you around. This helps keep you stabilized for that. Once you get off-road, you don't have to worry about disconnecting the sway bar because you're losing your up travel and your down travel. It still allows enough flex and articulation to go have fun. So you're not losing anything. You have nothing to gain. So try the Hellwig rear sway bar on your JL, your JT, and go have a good time.
Yeah, we'll share some of the part numbers in the video and in the description, and we'll link to these because they are available for purchase on Motoroso.com. These products, I'm assuming, are out there and in stock now.
Yes, they're ready to go. They're ready on Motoroso.com. Any information that can't be found there, you can go to HellwigProducts.com. But for a purchase, head over to Motoroso.
Awesome. And now tell me, the stock sway bars on the JL and the JT, are they solid or are they tubular?
For the application, I would have to investigate further. I think that they're solid, but they're a smaller diameter, so they're a little bit more flimsy. Sorry I wasn't more prepared for that question, but I'd rather answer with an honest I don't know than feed you a lie.
Well, it's all right. And tell us a little bit about the construction of the Hellwig bars, right? Because they're definitely solid. Materials, finish, all that.
Oh, definitely, yeah. So all of our bars are made of 4140 chromoly steel. Depending on application, they are forged or cold formed. In this case, it's a cold form bar. It has 3 adjustment points on it, so you can adjust or fine tune the rate of roll that you want. For our stock height applications, you reuse your factory end links. For our lifted application, that'll cover you from 3 to 5 inches. We offer all the mounting hardware and our heavy duty end links to ensure that they live up to the rigors off-road.
Nice, awesome. So if you've got a Jeep, a JL, a JT Gladiator, and you don't want it to handle like dog shit when you're on the freeway, get yourself some Hellwig sway bars on Motoroso.com, where you can browse that and over 1 million other top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.